Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Comics Cut. I forgot what episode number we are at.
Yeah, we keep forgetting because
Because we have recorded many not released.
yeah.
Um,
So
But yeah, because my voice is sexy today because I have cold.
yeah,
I have cold and fever, so
he just wanted to say that his voice is sexy. That's about it. Okay.
that's regardless.
The rest of the things you guys can ignore.
But hi Sid,
Hello, Conan.
long back.
Yes, long time. We haven't met each other in a few hours.
Yeah. No, more than 24 hours.
Oh yeah,
more than
we
24
met
hours.
day before, na. Thursday रात को we met.
Friday morning 3 a.m. I was hanging out with Sid.
Yes.
Yes, because we had Neha's birthday.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Neha.
Neha. This
And-
comes out after that, but can't
Yeah.
help.
but her podcast is also coming with us.
Yes,
and
very
her
soon.
video is coming.
Yes, so do subscribe to her channel. She
Yeah.
has a very funny video. We saw it because we are her friends.
Uh-huh.
You guys need to watch it too.
Yes, and we will put the link somewhere downstairs and you can
Yes.
see her channel. And Sid, how are you doing?
I'm great. So do you want to hear the Shairi for today?
Hey, shit. Dude. Macha, I'm not well, Macha. Please,
So,
please.
so you not being well does not mean that we don't follow the traditions of Comics Cut. People have been asking us, when is the next Shairi coming? They forgot about the episode. They're like, where is the next Shairi?
Yeah, Shairi really has more views
Yes, actually.
than the
Thank
actual
you.
episode.
Thank you guys for that.
Shairi shorts and reels have more views, but thank you very much for that also. Please follow me and Sid on Instagram.
Yes,
and
please. More fun reels to come out. And yeah, rest of the announcement after the
After
episode.
the episode. But
Alright. The
go
Shairi.
ahead. Irshad.
तू मुझे छोड़ गई, तेरी खुशबू रही जैसे ऊद.
वाह 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 वाह.
तू मुझे छोड़ गई, तेरी खुशबू रही जैसे ऊद. आज कॉमिक्स कट में बॉलीवुड बनेगा हॉलीवुड.
वाह. वाह बहनचोद, वाह. Guys, if you know about how to kill a bad शायर, please DM me personally. Fuck you, dude. मैं दोनों कैमरा में देख के बोलेगा. Why, dude? ठीक है, अब let's start the episode.
You know, the funny thing is, I was thinking, okay, I have to say Bollywood, Hollywood, that has to come in the punch, okay?
Done.
So how to set it up? I was thinking, yaar, kya rhyme karta hai? And then I'm like, hey, wood rhymes.
Yeah.
And then the rest of the things happened.
You realize your co-host is a Muslim.
Yeah, I know.
And what Muslims use? Oud.
Yeah. But it came to me suddenly, like
Yeah.
today, like,
Thank you, man, for giving a reference to my religion.
yes. See, this is the reason he's wearing orange, you know.
This is because we are going for Visarjan after this.
And I'm wearing green.
Well done. Well done.
So, Conan, what are we talking about today?
Right. Today we are talking about what if some Bollywood movies were made in Hollywood
Damn.
and we recast those movies with Hollywood actors.
Yes, we did. I just said damn as if I didn't know we did that.
Yeah. We also know pre-prep. If you want to see the pre-prep of this, you go to my channel, my vlogs, and
Yes,
you
yes. Watch
in my
that.
vlogs.
Watch that.
Yeah. But let's get down to today's topic.
Yes, since you rolled off today, and
Yes.
also you were not sick, and also I hurt you with my shairi.
Yes.
You start today.
Great. So basically, I have selected 3 movies.
Okay, tell them the rules.
Okay. The basic thing rules is we are gonna select 3 movies and we will recast them and also choose plot lines remain the same.
Stays the same, yeah.
Environment थोड़े इधर उधर changes होंगे.
Yeah, that's of
And
course.
we know and which director we want this movies to be directed.
Yeah.
All right.
So basically, we're casting the main cast of that movie and the director from Hollywood.
Yes, from Hollywood.
That's about it.
So it's basically like there is a rumor apparently, which is that DDLJ was supposed to be done by Tom Cruise.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is not true. Aditya Chopra is like, man, I never said that, dude. Who is doing this? So basically, what is that rumor? Aditya Chopra wanted a white actor to do that role. Someone white. Then no one got selected. So they were like, oh, can we approach Tom Cruise? They approached multiple people. No one got selected. No one knew कि ये होने वाला है. And then they're like, we'll select some new age actors, white actors, basically British actors.
Tom Alter.
Yeah, they said it. Then they're like, chal, nahi karte. Then storyline aisa hua कि it became very Indian thing, very culture oriented thing.
Yeah.
So they're like, oh, now let's choose an NRI. So now they are looking for NRI actors. वो भी नहीं मिले इनको. फिर इन्होंने बोला बॉलीवुड में कौन दिखता है ना. They went to Saif Ali Khan.
You're like, wow.
English आता है.
It's like, wow.
Wow.
Simran.
Babuji. Ow.
Ow.
And then
Simran, tum mat jao.
they selected Saif. They're like, okay, Saif, let's Saif be there. They did the audition. They saw Saif. They're like, nahi.
See, I could never imagine Saif in Dilwale. Never.
Bro, old Saif to bilkul nahi.
Nahi.
Very bad actor. But then they're like, nahi,
No,
nahi, bhai,
even
humko kuch acting nahi chahiye.
even if it was new Saif, na, the nuances that you need for the role in Dilwale Dulhaniya.
You need a very cute boy.
Yeah.
But yes, so basically on that rumor, we are gonna select the movies and do casting.
Yes.
So my first movie, since we have taken name of Saif and Mr. Shah Rukh, the first movie is Kal Ho Na Ho.
Damn.
The reason is because I probably there are, but Hollywood does not have a lot of list of very drama oriented movies like this.
Okay.
Very crying movie basically. Not very. They always try to
Like
put some rom-com situation types.
They don't have movies where even if you are poor, you stay so close to Brooklyn Bridge that every time you feel like crying, you run to Brooklyn Bridge. What? That was I was watching that, like every time I watch that, this thing strikes me. I'm like, they are saying that they don't have money, and every time Naina wants to cry, she goes to Brooklyn Bridge.
Bro, that's Karan Johar rich.
Yeah, dude.
Karan Johar poor actually, basically.
If I was at that distance from Brooklyn Bridge, I won't be sad any day.
Obviously, bro.
Yeah.
But talking
Who's your cast?
Talking about my cast, starting with the main man himself.
Okay. Kantaben.
Kantaben, yes. The actress who played Agada.
Yeah.
Catherine Hahn.
Catherine Hahn. Yeah.
She's not in my list, but Catherine Hahn is Kantaben.
Yeah. Hey, Kantaben. She comes and does magic.
But
yeah.
SRK would be played by Ryan Reynolds.
Oh, okay.
The reason I want Ryan Reynolds is because of the first half of the movie. The quirkiness of Aman. कि मैं joke मारेगा हर चीज
Plus Ryan Reynolds is used to getting cancer.
Yes, exactly. And I think Ryan Reynolds has also given some good emotional performances.
Yeah.
As well. He's a very good actor also. So I would say Ryan Reynolds for SRK. Nice. My Saif Ali Khan is Jake Gyllenhaal.
I mean, I kind of knew.
When you heard
Ryan Reynolds. Yes. Has to be.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. No one else could. He would be great.
And also Notebook. He was Notebook. Na?
No. That was Ryan Gosling.
Sorry. Yeah.
Jake Gyllenhaal was in Source Code.
Source Code
was a beautiful
he was also
movie.
in this kind of movie, na? Like a thoda sad movie.
He was in there's no Love, Drugs and Sex.
And Brokeback Mountain also he was there, no? Brokeback Mountain.
Yes.
He was there. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jake Gyllenhaal. Great actor by the way. Very good actor. I love him.
Amazing.
Very fun to watch. And Jake Gyllenhaal, he was in Nightcrawler.
Nightcrawler to insane.
Beautiful movie.
But that is not Saif. No.
That is not Saif. But, no, that could be Saif, dude.
No, as in not Kal Ho Na Ho wala Saif.
Not Kal Ho Na Ho wala Saif. But Jake Gyllenhaal is pretty fun and his real life is also very funny. So, and chemistry between Ryan and Jake would be really
insane.
Really funny to watch.
Yeah.
My Preeti or Naina in the character case is Kate Dillings. Who plays in Two Broke Girls, Max.
Oh, Oh,
also plays
You-
a character in Marvel.
you wanna make her cry,
Yeah, she is very.
and you wanna make her run to Brooklyn Bridge.
yeah, because she stays nearby. That will be more
Hey,
convincing.
now imagine that is made in India.
The Brooklyn.
No, like that movie
Brooklyn
is set in India. Okay, that
They'll
movie.
go to Howrah Beach.
Yes, running to Howrah Bridge, and then someone is selling jhalmudi.
झाड़बूढ़ी वहाँ पे एक बंदा मूत रहा है बगल में. सत्यजीत रे की किताबें पर कोई बेच रहा है बेचारा. एक आर्टिस्ट बैठा है ड्रॉ करते हुए.
A poet is just walking by.
Poet is standing.
Like
Hilarious.
instead of Uday Chopra saying day 3, some poet comes and says day 3. Rabindranath Tagore comes and says day 3.
I went to Rabindranath Tagore, dude. I was thinking to किसी bus का नाम लेगा. But yeah,
Mamata Banerjee comes and says day 4.
oh my god. Day 5 will be Mithun Chakravarti.
Yes. Ay sala, day 5.
पांचवा दिन.
And then he will hide behind a cycle.
He will come on a cycle.
Have you seen that?
Yeah.
Bullets are going on, he's hiding behind a cycle. I'm like, dude.
Mithunda, bro. Mithunda.
Only Mitunda can do
We'll
that.
do a special episode about Mithunda.
Yes.
And my Jaya Bachchan
Huh.
is Robin Wright
Robin
from
Wright is-
Forrest Gump.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, good choice, dude.
And dude, the reason I chose her is
Huh.
because of House of Cards.
Yes,
Her
yes.
performance in House of Cards is
Yeah.
so good. I'm like, bro, ye auntie mast hai.
Oh, dude. That would be an insane Jaya Bachchan.
I have Sonali Bendre also.
Who?
My Sonali Bendre is Anna Kendrick.
Oh.
She would be funny. She would be a
Yes.
doctor.
Yes, yes,
She's
yes.
also a good actress. She really likes.
May
to
I
do.
suggest someone for
Sonali
Sonali?
Bendre?
Huh?
Yeah, go ahead.
Kobe Smulders.
Oh, nice.
Yeah?
Good choice. Great
Yeah?
choice.
Huh.
Good. Kobe Smulders also.
Yeah, should be great. I'm just thinking their behavior pattern. Kobe would be really nice.
Great. And this movie will be directed,
Huh.
which is the most important part of
Yeah.
this movie.
Yeah.
The director will be Michael Gondry.
I'm watching it. Any Michael Gondry movie, I will be there.
Bro, that man made me feel things for movie.
See,
Oh, dude.
Gondry's movie, like he has made bad movies, but even his bad movies are so good. There's a lot to learn from that.
See, the top movie, the
Yeah.
reason because this has to show romance and drama in the same movie.
Huh.
And dude, what he did with Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind,
Yes.
this is Kalhona Ho.
Huh.
So that's Kalhona Ho Hollywood.
Gondry directing Kalvana. Oh man, it'll be insane.
From Nikhil Advani to Gondry directly.
Like it's a million level jump.
Yeah, 100%. But coming to your movies, which
Yes. So my first movie, it had to be a movie that both of us love.
अंदाज अपना अपना.
Yes, दो मस्ताने चले जिंदगी
की
बनाने. Okay, so I have
मैं
a.
हूँ मार किधर है?
Okay,
बाहर में क्या है मार?
okay, this is
ये
going.
तेजा-
This is going in a direction that can make this podcast 2 days long. So let me come back to the
अरे
topic.
अब क्या करा?
Imagine all this dialogue in English,
Oh.
and now imagine my cast saying it.
Okay, cast. I'm very intrigued. Come on, let's
Starting with Amar.
go. Amar.
My Amar is played by Andy Samberg.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Andy Sandberg as Amar is hilarious.
And you will love it when I say Prem's name because
Brain meals?
Prem is Jolo Truilo.
Oosh. Bro. Got it, bro.
So Andy Samberg and Joe as
I
Amar
was
and
thinking
Prem. Huh.
Andy Sandberg could be a great Prem, but Jolo Trilo.
Yes.
Great.
You understand why, right? From I picked it up from
100%,
Brooklyn. Yeah.
100%.
So they would be really great as Amar and Prem.
Perfect cast.
Now coming to Ravina and Karishma.
Yeah.
My Ravina.
Uh-huh.
Again, I picked up an actress who has already played with Andy Samberg and was excellent in it. My Ravina is Christian Milotti from Palm Springs.
Oh, yeah. Ravina, right?
Yes.
Great. Good
Right?
choice. She's
Right?
very funny. She's
Yes.
very funny.
And it will be hilarious to see that chemistry.
Yeah.
there.
Her performance in How I Met Your Mother was also very
Yes.
fun to watch.
Dude, don't remind me. I get sad when
Yeah.
you know why, right?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
loved her,
Not
dude.
spoilers. No spoilers, but yeah.
Yeah.
Who's your Karishma?
My Karishma is from How I Met Your Mother, Kobe Smulders.
Bro, लेकिन जो पहले करिश्मा थी वो रवीना या जो पहले रवीना थी वो करिश्मा?
That will design well on the script, you know, because that is how Andaz Apna Apna was made.
Yeah,
So
that's how it was made. आ जाओ करते कुछ करते आ जाओ.
moving on, my Ram Bajaj and Teja
Yeah.
is played by
John.
Steve Buscemi.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
Steve Buscemi would be hilarious.
he would be
too.
hilarious.
Hilarious.
I mean, I was just imagining him, and especially that, "Hi kids, that's Kit." I love that.
I love that.
So for that, I think Ram Bajaj and Teja will be played by Steve Buscemi.
Perfect.
Coming to our main man, Crime Master Gogo,
Yeah.
I went with a crazy actor. He's also a comedian and a SNL alumni,
Oh.
Pete Davidson.
Oh. Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
Pete
would be
Davidson as
hilarious.
Crime Master Gogo.
Pete Davidson
I
would be
thought
hilarious.
it would be really great to see this cast, and the chemistry between all of them would be insane.
Nice.
There will be
There will be
chaos.
hilarious.
There will be
It will be
chaos
chaos.
always. So I thought that would be really fun to see them on screen. Now, of course, to bring this cast together and have the movie on screen with the director.
Before the director, who would be your Robert and Bhalla?
I haven't thought about it.
I have a cast. Bhalla will be played by Terry Crews. And my Robert is gonna be Kevin Hart.
Oh, that would be funny.
That would be
I
hilarious.
would hire them. Oh, that would be funny. That
Damn,
would be
bro.
really funny. Now coming to the director of the
Director.
movie. So,
Can I guess?
okay, guess.
I think one of my favorite directors,
Uh,
also yours,
uh,
Edgar Wright.
no.
Oh,
No.
miss.
Yes. So I have two choices for this because this kind of chaos. This is a chaos comedy, right?
Yeah.
And I think only two directors are there who can handle a chaos comedy amazingly.
Mm-hmm.
And I put them both here. I'm confused between both. So they are Taika Waititi
Oh.
and Wes Anderson.
Oh, nice.
Because these two guys,
I would see Wes Anderson.
you know, because these two guys can handle chaos comedy amazingly.
100%. This is Wes. If this says Andaz Apna Apna by Wes Anderson,
It'll be crazy
sold.
good. It'll be crazy good.
I'm sold.
But of course, I don't have Wes Anderson favorites in my cast. So
Yeah.
forgive me, Wes.
But Wes Anderson can make. a great
Yes,
movie. Wow.
yes.
Well done.
Yeah.
Good choice.
Thank you.
Lovely choice.
What do you have
Uh,
next?
My next movie
Hmm.
is again an SRK movie.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're on a SRK role.
Yeah, I'm on an SRK role. So guys, my next movie
Huh.
is if someone asks,
Hmm.
tell me about Bollywood,
Huh.
I would say watch this movie.
Huh.
And the movie is
Tum mere ho.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Like choose.
Mela.
But the movie is Om Shanti Om.
Oh. Oh, lovely movie choice.
Yeah. And the cast for the movie,
Huh.
the main man,
Huh.
Mr. OK, is gonna be played by a good-looking person
Yeah.
who can also play goofball,
Okay.
Ryan Gosling.
Ooh.
Ryan Gosling looks really good.
He's
Very
a heartthrob
pretty.
dude.
Heartthrob, bro. Pretty. In Notebook, in La La Land,
Yeah.
Ryan Gosling killed it.
Amazing.
And I think he would do a very funny.
Yeah.
Before Fall Guy also was very funny
Paul Guy was amazing.
Great fun movie.
amazing.
to watch. So that's my SRK. Both SRKs. My Deepika
Hmm.
और क्या नाम था उसका?
Shanti Priya.
Shanti Priya and Sandy
Hmm.
is, I love this actress.
Huh.
I love her a lot.
Huh.
Is Anna Hathaway. She is very beautiful. I love you. Very sweet.
Anna Hathaway has been my crush for so
Yeah.
long.
And I saw her. She could play a very fancy
Yeah,
elite role.
yeah.
What she did in Princess Diaries.
Yeah.
And then also a very sandy role in the end. I think she
Like
would-
intern and all.
Yeah, intern and all. She's funny. So great.
I love her.
But
Hmm.
the killer of this movie.
Wait. Who is your this guy? Shahrukh ka dost.
Yeah, I'm coming
Oh,
there. I'm coming
okay,
there.
okay.
So the Shreyas Talpade.
Huh.
Because
Yes.
obviously movie has to be there. I need a funny guy
Huh.
who is a side actor
Huh.
and also matching Ryan Gosling.
Huh.
Can't put a lot bad guy.
Huh.
So James Franco is my Papa. James Franco.
Bro.
James Franco with Ryan Gosling, dude. Great pair. Great pair, I would say.
Oh fuck, that
Sad
is
for the Papa.
hilarious. Hilarious.
James Franco will be hilarious.
Yes.
But the man,
हाँ
जिसकी वजह से ये मूवी चलेगी,
हाँ
the Mukesh
yes.
Khanna, Mukesh Khanna नाम था?
Mukesh
Mukesh Kumar
हाँ
of The Big Bad
हाँ
will be played by
हाँ.
Brad Pitt.
Ooh.
I wanted someone good looking as fuck.
Oh,
and
I
brooding as hell.
love it.
I'm
I
like, ये
love
आदमी है.
it.
ये आदमी करेगा.
I love it.
And he would look great in a negative
Yes.
role. He looks great in F1
Yeah.
even when he's old. So I think de-aging him and doing this,
Insane.
yeah, that's and coming back to the director.
But who's the mother?
Oh, mother,
Yeah.
Catherine Hahn. जहाँ कुछ नहीं किया मैंने, मैं कैथरीन हन. फरीदा जलाल, कैथरीन हन.
Like if next movie there is a lamppost, you'll be lamppost Catherine Hahn.
Hilarious, bro. Hilarious. Catherine Hahn.
Shit.
Sorry, Catherine Hahn. Love you, but
Yeah. Sorry.
Just jokes.
These are just jokes. Yeah.
but yeah,
Who's the director?
my director.
Uh.
One of my all-time favorite director.
Uh.
And I think someone who can do extravaganza with fun. Edgar Wright, bro.
Oh. Interesting choice.
Yeah. I want that Edgar Wright can show emotion and make it funny, and that quick cuts in this one in Om Shanti Om would be hilarious. I compared him to Farah Khan directly.
Okay. See, very interesting choice, because I know with quick cuts like the Edgar Wright kind of comedy with that cut and beat music kind of action
exactly.
would be really great. I want to see that in Om Shanti Om.
The reason why I did that is because Om Shanti Om is like a Broadway. And Edgar Wright, Edgar Wright. Sorry, I'm.
ये रट लगाए बैठा है.
Edgar Wright does it like a storyboard. His movies are like storyboard. It's like still camera, but action is happening backstage.
Yeah.
So that's what would be beautiful with Edgar Wright. And imagine Daastan-e-Om Shanti Om with this guy.
Oh, that I would love to see that. I would love to see that.
That's what my thing is.
Insane, dude.
Edgar Wright was
Insane. I would have never thought of it, but insane.
Yeah.
Man. Chalo, since you have given such a great movie cast and director,
going to
I'll have to up my game,
Yeah.
right? So my next movie is Con.
Oh, one of your favorite movies.
Yes. Which I rewrote also, the part 2.
Yeah, part 2.
Yeah.
The reel is available. The
Check
short
that
is
out.
available. Check it out, guys.
So of course we have just 3 primary characters.
Yes.
Ma'am, Qureshi and Sameer.
Yes.
I'll start with Ma'am.
Yeah.
Played by Jennifer Aniston.
Jennifer Aniston.
Yes.
Oh. Interesting.
Yes. Because
Interesting.
people usually think Jennifer Aniston is a comedic actor.
Yeah.
But you should see her range in drama. And with age, she
I think
has
she's
become like now if you
much
see her
better.
even in her interviews,
Yeah.
she has that maniacal look.
Hmm.
So I think Jennifer Aniston will kill
Interesting.
as Ma'am.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Nice.
My Qureshi is played by Jason Segel.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. You come in.
Okay.
Yeah. You have
Interesting.
that mad energy and then you are just not there.
Yeah.
So,
I think
Jason Segel.
would be very fun to watch in this.
Yes.
Nice.
Now my Sameer. Okay. I chose Sameer because of a reason you'll come to know once I announce the
Yeah.
name. But I think this Sameer would be a very different kind of Sameer. But if you see, I'll name the movie also after I take the name. Why I chose this. You will feel that, okay, this will be crazy to watch. Brad Pitt as Sameer. Think of Once Upon a Time in Hollywood.
Oh, now I can see it.
Yeah,
Now I can see it. I can see it.
that's why.
Pretty good.
And
pretty
also because Jennifer.
good.
So yeah,
You know what I would choose?
Uh,
Qureshi would be Matt LeBlanc. Samir would be David Schwimmer. Friends recast. We don't want.
Imagine Samir Khan say, "Hi, ma'am."
Bro, David Schwimmer does such great angry man acting, dude.
Oh, he does. He does. By the way, have you seen Goosebumps?
Yeah.
Crazy
Very
good
fun
idiot.
actor, very fun. David Schwimmer
Anyway,
is very fun.
Now we need a director who can handle horror that comes through music and sound, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
my choice for director for this version of Con is James Wan.
Bro.
James Wan, when he uses music, he makes it so creepy.
Exactly.
It's insane. Like the
Exactly.
sound design, I still remember in the first Conjuring, he used negative sound.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Exactly.
So I think because of that, James Wan directing Jennifer Aniston, Jason Segel, and Brad Pitt for Con would be
James Wan
insane.
directing Con as a concept is great.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That I'm in. Someone says Con by James Wan.
It'll be really,
Who's it?
really.
It will be called
Who is it?
Who is it?
Who is it?
Oh, I could see Jennifer Aniston do that.
Yeah.
I could see that.
So
Great,
that was
great
Con.
choice.
Yeah.
Great choice. Great
Thanks.
choice.
Thanks. Moving on.
Moving on. As a tradition of our
Huh.
channel and talking about movies,
Yeah.
how can I leave Salman Bhai behind?
Yes.
So the
nobody leaves Salman Bhai behind.
The most entertaining movie Salman Khan has
Yeah.
is my next movie, and the movie is
Hood,
Dabangg,
Dabang,
bro.
Dabang. I love that movie, dude.
I love Dabangg movie. It's Salman's one of the best performance,
Obviously.
and that movie is funny.
Huh.
It has little bit drama. It has great action,
Yeah.
great writing, very tight script,
Huh.
and it's like a popcorn munching movie. It's
Yeah.
a complete entertainment.
Yeah.
And my cast is what that it is. So, starting with the main man,
Huh.
Salman Bhai.
Huh. Hey, main man was Arbaz, okay?
Yeah,
Arbaz.
I also have Arbaz in the cast.
Yeah, okay.
Just for you.
Thank you.
Salman Khan, Chulbul Pandey.
Huh.
More than the character Salman,
Huh.
actor Salman, I chose the
Character
characters.
Chulbul.
Chulbul Pandey
Huh.
will be played by
Huh.
Johnny fucking Depp, bro.
Fuck yeah. Damn, that would be I would 100% love to see Johnny Depp as Chulbul
Imagine a
Pandey.
small town sheriff, Johnny Depp, doing dun, 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 dun.
Rango.
Rango proper, bro, man. I saw Parrots and Rango. I said, this guy is Chulbul Pandey,
Oh,
bro.
lovely, lovely.
Yeah. My Sonakshi Sinha's character, the love
Huh,
interest,
huh.
because a lot of things happen around her.
Huh.
Because it was not a very meaty character, but I wanted someone, but I want to make it thoda meaty in this.
Is it the one who I think it is?
Who it is? The one who poops? No. No. I want the good actresses also.
Yeah.
Margot Robbie with Johnny Depp.
Oh, fuck.
Margot Robbie has to play this subtle character, what she did as Sharon in Once Upon a Time in Hollywood.
I thought you were thinking Edward Scissorhand.
Oh, no. But yeah, I would love Margot Robbie to be.
That would be interesting.
Yeah, right, correct.
Hmm.
She has a drunk father. She's
I'm
taking
not
care
scared of a slap.
Yeah.
It's love that I
It's-
fear.
Wow. Writers. Dubbing artist. Coming to Chedi Singh.
Yes.
Chedi Singh
Yes.
has to be
Huh.
someone who has muscles,
Huh.
who looks menacing,
Huh.
and who looks like ki bro ye to maar dega, but a
Huh.
good looking person.
Yeah. And also he could send poor people back home. Yeah.
Exactly. Good from as an actor. Heart.
Yeah.
So I had two people's name.
Huh.
First person I chose
Huh.
was Ben Affleck.
Interesting.
But then I said, I have a better cast.
Huh.
And I chose a younger looking
Huh.
Henry Cavill.
Oh.
Imagine Johnny Depp is beating up Henry Cavill.
He gets punched.
Yeah. Bro, that role of Cheti Singh
Huh.
will really suit on Henry Cavill.
Yeah, it would be fun to watch though.
It will be fun to watch.
It would be fun to
He's an
watch.
actor with Johnny Depp.
Yeah, hilarious. It'll be hilarious. Who will be that guy? Bhaiya ji, smile. Who will be that?
Kevin Hart.
Hey brother, smile. Hey brother.
I love that. Yeah. And my Makhi,
Huh.
Arbaz Khan's
Yes.
character, a very important character to the movie,
Obviously.
will be played by
Huh.
Matthew McConaughey. Wow.
Alright. I say that.
Yeah.
I say that.
But
But interesting cast. Johnny Depp and McConaughey as brothers.
Brothers, bro. That would be so fun to watch. Imagine that.
Who will direct this ensemble?
This ensemble director has to be someone who does action
Huh.
and comedy together.
Okay.
And the one name
Huh.
came into my mind because his first movie when I saw him, like,
Huh.
this guy kills it.
Huh.
Okay. I love this person a
Huh.
lot. He's my favorite. If someone says who is your top 3 directors,
Huh.
this guy comes there.
Huh.
And the man himself, Mr. Guy Ritchie.
Guy Ritchie's Dabangg. I would definitely first day, first show. I am
Yes.
there.
Bro, Guy Ritchie's Dabangg.
Guy Ritchie. Forget the cast. Just for the director. Just for the director. Fuck yeah. Guy Ritchie's Dabangg.
Done.
Definite hit.
Bro, this is we were casting heroes. Heroes पे किसी को
Huh.
directors
So
can't
obviously, when you say Guy Ritchie, you're like, yeah, fuck yeah. Yeah, this works.
Guy Ritchie's
This works.
Dabangg is made like a Guy Ritchie movie.
It is.
It is a Guy Ritchie movie.
It is. Damn, dude, that's just by director. Yes. Holy fuck. Huh. Damn.
Johnny
That-
Depp saying, "हम यहाँ के Robin Hood Pandey." I'm a Robin Hood Pandey from here.
This is the day you will remember.
That's-
Robin Hood Pandey just escaped.
Yeah.
And then he runs.
And bro, Johnny Depp dancing, bro.
Kaise paneer,
Kaise
kaise
paneer.
paneer.
I would love.
How was this made? How was this made?
How was this made? How was this made? Pulori क्या होता है इंग्लिश में? Fuck it.
How do you make a chutney without a grinder? I don't know.
Depp doing this is hilarious, bro. But coming to your last movie.
My last movie is one of my favorite movies. I've watched
Yeah.
it quite a number of times. It's an emotional journey.
Oh.
Okay, I'll quickly finish it. It has 20% battery, but I'll quickly finish it.
Got it.
Quickly running through my last movie, which is one of my favorites. It's an emotional journey of a character. The movie is Iqbal.
Oh.
Nasiruddin Shah and Shreyas Talpade.
Nice.
Yes.
Good choice. Very different.
Yes, I
I
know.
was not expecting Iqbal to be in the list.
I know. That's why I wanted to pick something different. My Iqbal will be played by Timothy Chalamet.
Ah,
Yeah?
could see it.
Yeah?
Very much could see it.
Timothy Chalamet as my Iqbal.
Yep.
My Mohit, which was Nasiruddin Shah's character, that would be played by Tom Hanks.
Oh.
Yes.
Interesting.
Tom Hanks as the mentor and Timothy Chalamet as the mentee.
And what are they gonna play?
They're going to play baseball. I mean, obviously.
Making it American.
Yeah.
And he'll be the pitcher.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a very interesting movie though.
Right?
That's actually a
Right?
very interesting
It'll
movie.
be fun to watch. And
It'll
I
be
have
fun to
a
watch.
director as such who can make this such an intense drama that you will sit and watch it even if it is 3.5 hours long. My director is Martin Scorsese.
Give it up. Fuck it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Fuck it. This is the show.
Yeah, I mean, when I thought of the plot of Iqbal, I thought that kind of intense drama, I need Scorsese.
100%.
I need Scorsese.
100%.
So Scorsese directing Timothy Chalamet and Tom Hanks.
Very money
for a drama. Yes, it'll be really fun to watch.
Tom Hanks and Scorsese have never worked together, but great choice.
Right?
Great choice.
Yeah. So that was all of it.
I was more interested with the directors, dude. What directors we have chosen, dude?
Yes.
So wrapping up.
Yes.
Come on, dude.
Let's quickly do a wrap up. So recap, my 3 movies were Andaz Apna Apna, Kaun and Iqbal. My Andaz Apna Apna, my cast was Andy Samberg as Amar, Jolo Trujillo as Prem, Christine Milioti as Ravina, Kobe Smulders as Karishma, Steve Buscemi as Ram Bajaj and Tejas, Pete Davidson as Crime Master Gogo. It would be directed by either Taika Waititi or Wes Anderson. Moving on, yours?
And my first movie was Kalona Ho. My SRK was Ryan Reynolds. Seth's character was played by Jake Gyllenhaal. Kate Dennings was Preeti's or Naina. Robin White, Jaya Bachchan, and Anna Kendrick's Sonali Bendre's character.
Yes.
And the director I wanted was Michael Godry.
Yes. Moving on, my second movie, Kaun, which has to be a horror mystery kind of thing. My main character, Ma'am, was played by Jennifer Aniston, Qureshi by Jason Segel, Brad Pitt as Samir, and directed by James Wan.
Yeah. And my second movie was Om Shanti Om. SRK played by Ryan Gosling. Deepika was Anna Hathaway. Arjun Rampal was Brad Pitt. And Chess was James Franco.
Yeah.
And directed by Edgar Wright.
Yes. My last movie was Iqbal, a drama movie. So the main character, Iqbal, played by Timothy Chalamet. Mohit, his mentor, played by Tom Hanks and directed by Martin Scorsese.
And my final movie was the entertaining The Bung, where Salman's character was played by Johnny Depp, Sonakshi is by Margot Robbie, Sonu Sood was Henry Cavill, Makhi by Matthew McConaughey, and directed by the legend himself, Mr. Guy Ritchie.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Brilliant choices, I think. Yeah.
Great choices. What an episode.
Yeah.
Loved
so,
it.
guys, if you like this casting, let us know in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to this channel.
And if you want us to cast any other movies,
let us know. We'll cast them.
We cast them.
Yeah.
If you want us to cast Hollywood movies in Bollywood,
we'll do that too.
It's already done.
Yeah.
The movies are made.
Yeah. You just go to the OTT channels and see them.
See them.
And also you need to subscribe because it's still empty.
Yeah.
You have to
subscribe the channel.
Yeah. Fill the popcorn bucket. What are you doing, guys?
Yeah.
Fill it.
Please.
Yeah. Okay.
On that note.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care. All right.
All right.